everyone, my name is Kizzy Lopez and I'm gonna explain to you guys about what is narrative inquiry, and then I also gonna explain about the methods that is being used in these articles. So first, what is narrative inquiry? So basically, narrative inquiry is a research approach that values how individuals express their worldview through stories. It's used to understand practices and motivations, particularly in fields like education. By examining the narratives people use to make sense of their experiences. Next, about the methods. We're gonna looking at the first article, and the first article is using a narrative bibliographic review was conducted involving the selection and analysis of relevant text or narrative, and also the review adopts a qualitative interpretive approach focusing on personal critical analysis of literature rather than quantitative data reproduction. And next, the research method used in the second article is an auto-ethnographic approach in which the researcher is the teacher himself who recounts his experiences.
The first title of article is The Importance of Narrative Inquiry in Education. This article focuses on the significance of narrative inquiry as a method for examining teacher daily action. This article emphasizes how narrative inquiry bridges theory and practice, connecting social and individual dimensions in educational research. And this research aims to explore the significant role of narrative research in education by understanding how teachers construct professional knowledge through narrative and interrogating individual and social perspective. And the second title of article is Exploring the Narrative of a Teacher Experience in Online Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic. This title focuses on exploring the personal experience and during the COVID-19 pandemic as she taught online. And the main objective of the research is to examine how online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic affect the relationship between the teacher and the student.
Hello, my name is Hikmah Samaran Howat, and now I'm gonna explain about the findings of the two article. Okay, so first I'm gonna explain about the findings of the first article. So narrative inquiry is valuable for examining teachers' everyday actions and linking theory with practice. Narratives are not just stories, they shape our understanding of reality and influence social bonds. Berner 1990, Lyotard 1989. There are two forms of cognition, narrative and paradigmatic, which are complementary and both enrich educational research. Teachers' knowledge is organized narratively, and narrative inquiry can reveal motivations, meaning, and reflective practice in teaching. The methods can foster reflective knowledge and innovation by allowing teachers to evaluate their identities and practice. The research emphasized the importance of capturing the emotive aspects of teaching and giving voice to monetary perspective. Next, second article. First, emotional labor. The teacher used deep acting or projecting care and surface acting or feigning excitement to manage her emotions and maintain professionalism. Prolonged emotional acting can lead to burnout. Second, teacher-student relationship. The teacher's experience with Oscar highlighted the challenges of monitoring students' behavior online, especially regarding access to mature content. She avoided confronting Oscar's father directly to preserve trust, which demonstrates emotional suppression.